Hey, if you want to turn on or off the edge panel on the Galaxy M34 5G, first open the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down and go to the display. Next, scroll down one more time and you have to go for the edge panels. So here you can quickly turn it on and off. But also when you want to turn it on, you can also set some custom options. When you click right here, you can set the different panels that you can actually see right here. And when you swipe like this, and swipe like a few times, you can actually change between all of these panels. So let's say that you want to use, for example, this smart select. So you can actually do this by clicking and then select wherever you want. And of course, you can actually adjust the applications that appears right here and other stuff, like for example the transparency, the color of it. So that's how it looks when I change it to the low transparency. There we go. So yeah, that's it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.